Hey, are you frustrated with YouTube SEO? You're constantly putting new videos out, they're not getting any views or they're not getting any engagement on YouTube platform. If that's you, watch this video. This is where I'm going to share with you the tool that I'm using it to get more views and engagement for my video. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn about different tools that I'm using it to grow my YouTube channel. I share those too in all the different videos that I put out on YouTube. Now, coming back to this video, let's do this. Let me show you how you can get more views and engagement on videos using this software. Hey, my name is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. My assumption is if you're watching this video, you do have a YouTube channel and you're putting out new videos on the YouTube, but you're not getting enough views and engagement on the YouTube platform. Enter yes or no in the comments below if that's true. It was always harder for me to get more views and engagement when I started putting out videos on my YouTube channel. Then I started using this software that I've heard of on the internet. It's called Vidiq, and all of a sudden my video starts getting more views and getting a lot of engagement on YouTube channel. Now, let me show you a demo of how I'm using this software called Vidiq so that you can also use this software in the same way and start getting more views on your videos. Alright, so this is the back end of the dashboard. I'm subscribed to Vidiq's standard plan. Now, first thing you do is you have all these buttons that you can go and actually analyze the keyword that you're looking for. Now, these one, niche analysis, video report, and rank tracker. This is when you need to upgrade it. And if you do have an agency where you are doing the YouTube videos for other people, you might want to upgrade to the video report. Now, in this video, I'm just going to talk about the standard and how I'm using it to get more views and engagement for my videos. So the first thing you do is click on the keyword. Okay, let's fix that. And this is where you enter the main keyword. Now, this video is all about how to do YouTube SEO. So I'm just going to enter, and since my video is going to be, I want everyone in the world to see, there's no restriction, so I'll leave this here. But if you're doing any local video for a particular country, or if you're doing a video in a language that's fully spoken in certain countries or in one country, you might want to check mark one of these things. So let's do research. These are all the sources that I click it in. You can also click in YouTube, Pinterest, but I turned this off. I'm more interested in Google, YouTube, and computers. So these are all the keywords that has suggested for us. Now you can just go one by one and look at it, how much monthly volume roughly and how much competition there is, and choose which one to do. So what I've decided to do is, let's do the 2021. So this is where you can do how to do YouTube keywords research. This video is not about that. How to do keyword search. Now, how to do SEO, for YouTube videos 2021, or how to do SEO. Any of them you can do it. And here, the other plus point of this software is that you can actually click on this icon and actually it will take you to the YouTube and show you all the videos. So if you click on that, automatically it goes on the search bar, and then it has all the videos that you can look at it for your reference. Right, so let's click this one up, and what I do is I copied it, then I go to the next one, which is the video details. Now before that, the other ones where I wanted to tell you is also, if you're also making videos for other people, then you can also get a new campaign. And this one I'm just making videos for myself, so I just have it on making money online. This is my niche. But you can also try a new campaign, and if you're doing for another video, so that your videos are not mixed up. So that's another plus point of that. Now let's go to video details. Okay, the training video, we can get rid of that. Okay, so this is where you actually generate the video details. So this is where they're going to generate the title, generate the description for the video, and also the tag. So they're going to suggest you based on the keyword that we choose from the last step. So all you do is generate details, You can do English there, all the other language you want to. Enter the main keyword, how to do SEO for YouTube videos, and select the niche. I'm just going to keep it general. You can also add the local if you're going for the local one, or you can customize, but for this video I'm just going to keep it general. And they have suggested the titles for you. What I usually do is I just select one of it, doesn't matter, I just select one and then just click next step. Now they also have templates that you can use it, but that's more in detail. So let's click the next step, and then they will give you the secondary keywords that this is the main keyword. They have also suggestion if you think that some of their section is better, how to do YouTube SEO 2021, which is better. And then you can look at this, how to use SEO tutorial, and then you can just rank, and then you can just click, and they suggest 5. So I'll just put this. Right, you cannot add more than 5, so they're just 5 at the most. And then this is where you can put in all the different social media URLs, so the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if you have any, just click on that. The YouTube link, I just put my YouTube link for example, and the website is in this video whatever the offer is, so you can just put that. Now for this one is Wimley, right, and then you can just go generate, and that's it. And this is it, your video is already done. And you can click on that. This is where they have all the titles, and this is a suggestion. Now what you can do is if you go down, they also have all the other suggested titles if you want it, and you can replace one with another. And this is the description for your video in the YouTube. So this is where they are right at the first sentence they have, if you're interested in to learn more about how to do YouTube SEO, you need to visit, and this is the offer that I'm doing it for this video. Now then they talk about all that. Now this is where if for whatever reason you don't like this sentence or what it is, you can actually change it, you can replace it. So there's this thing that you can replace it with the other ones suggested. So I can just put that, and then this is how you can go here. This is to talk about your social media where you can follow it, and then you can go down, and then again if you don't like this you can just suggest this, and talk about if you don't have that much presentation on other social media, you can just talk about the YouTube channel, and you can actually tell people about all the other videos that you have. So you can select that. And then they also have the tags, and then at the bottom here they have all the suggestions to you guys. So that's suggested title, so they have the sentence, and then the suggested tags. So all these tags that you can click on this and you can add it here, right? And then you can just click save, and that's all you gotta do. And once you're satisfied with it, once your video is ready, all you gotta do is upload that. Once you upload that to YouTube, all you gotta do is pretty simple. Just click on this, copy it, and then just paste it on the YouTube when you're uploading the channel. Now this is what I've been using it for the last month or so, and my channels has been getting more views and more engagement, as you can see from the couple of examples that let me just show you. So you can see there's 3,000 views, a little bit more than 3,000 views. I've been using this for the last month or so. I'm constantly getting about 2,000 to 3,000 views or a lot more. That's the software I've been using it to get a little bit more views and engagement, so that the frustration of finding out what makes your video get more views, the YouTube SEO, the frustration has gone down a little bit for me once I see the difference between this and my previous video when I started it. So if you like that video and you find it eye-opener for you for how to use Wimley for your YouTube SEO, hit the like button for this video, and you can share it with other people and let them know how they can also do the YouTube SEO the correct way using the Wimley software. So to summarize it, Wimley software, you can use it to generate the titles, the description, and the tags, and all of these are SEO optimized for your YouTube video, specifically the keyword that you're targeting for. And once you start using this software like I have, I'm pretty sure you're going to see more views and engagement to your YouTube videos. Now remember, that's just part of it. There is a lot more into it concerning the keyword research that I didn't touch a little bit, but make sure to watch my other videos that do talk about the YouTube tools that I use for the keyword search, and also the competitors on the YouTube, and if I'm going to be using that keyword for my video, how good my video will be doing it on the YouTube platform. So that all being said, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so that you'll get the notified for any new videos that we come out. And we do come out with the new videos every week. Now go ahead and watch some of my older videos on the YouTube channels, YouTube tools, and how to use those different YouTube tools to grow your channel. See you.